What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 3.6A. And today, what I'm gonna be doing in this video is I'm gonna be debadging the 300S in the Chrysler emblem back here. I put this little cover on, but I can just return it. I got it from Amazon. I would take this wing off because it's cracked. I need to get a new one, but I don't got the money for that right now, so we're just gonna rock with that. Car's a little dirty, I ain't gonna lie. Just the wrap I did. It don't look too bad on that side, but this side, it got imperfections and shit. But also what I'm gonna be installing is this 300 badge right here and taking this Chrysler emblem off. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I'm not trying to take this whole bumper off, bro. So what I'm gonna do is, I took off these in the last part already. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this 10 mil that holds the bumper on at the top off each side, and I'm gonna try and use the leverage from those being off to lift this up, take this off, and then put the 300 emblem over here. But yeah, I'm really not trying to take this whole bumper up, bro. I don't feel like doing it. All right, so now that I got this part up, I'm gonna be able to attach this part in the corner right here. The part I'm gonna get it through should be the part where you're about to be using, so you can once you have it in there, boom. This is already loose. We're gonna look down here, find the cord. So once you do that, I'm gonna get the washer. Which is here. And you wanna get it in there. Trying to fall. My phone about to die. Yeah, my bad. So my phone had died after I literally finished everything. I thought the shit was still recording. I was with the time lapse, but I got the 300 emblem in. I got the Chrysler emblem off. Took that nasty ass shit off, bro. But yeah, I got that off. Now I gotta get my heat gun from the back, and I gotta take the 300 off. 300, and then the Chrysler emblem on this back. Well, yeah, I did the wiring. This thing comes with an app as well, that piece, but you don't want to get that piece wet at all, so that's why I tucked it. And then I ran it to this ground right here, and then fuse F12, which is the AC control, but it's a different type of AC. It's not your AC will still work, basically. So after that, you just close it up. There is, so you can't really see because it's light outside, but it's on now. It's purple. And then we got fucking yellow, blue. You can do hella colors. You could strobe it, change colors. Boom, boom, boom. We got blue, green, red. Make it brighter. Make it lower, dimmer. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna turn it off for now because it's daylight. But I'm gonna clean this up and then get to the back for y'all. But yeah, y'all. This is it on. Can't really see because of the sun, but that's purple. But yeah, it works perfectly fine. Hit up Lay SRT on TikTok shop, LAYE SRT, if you want the 300 badge. But yeah, it's not too hard to install. You can just hit the tops, get those off. Don't fuck with these. Just leave these on and lift the bumper up from the corners. There's a bolt here and usually a bolt over there. I don't have one over there because this side got hit, but yeah, yeah, that's really it. I mean, nothing else to it really. I will be giving y'all a video for the side markers. I changed the side markers already all around to the white ones, tinted white ones. I was gonna do like LED, but I didn't even want to do all that. Debadged it. I did wrap the hood. I could have given y'all a hood wrap video. I did it myself, but probably gonna redo it. Some imperfections badly on this side. Like, I am gonna be wrapping the trunk. I did try and debadge it, but there's just hella shit on it now. I'm probably gonna have to take this spoiler off. I might wrap it as well, because I could buy a new one, but I don't really need to if I wrap it myself. But yeah, I'm gonna record that video for the trunk wrap, and I'm gonna get back at y'all. Fuck with y'all, peace.